Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford F-550, 2013 to 2016? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger Compartment Fuse Box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford F-550, 2013 to 2016, houses fuses that protect essential electrical components like the interior lights, power windows, audio system, and dashboard controls. It ensures safe operation by interrupting power during faults or overloads. This fuse box supports diagnostics and simplifies fuse replacement. Engine Compartment Fuse Box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford F-550, 2013 to 2016, manages high current circuits related to the vehicle's engine and critical systems. It protects components like the fuel pump, cooling fan, starter motor, and trailer tow module. The fuse box aids in system reliability by preventing electrical damage due to overloads or short circuits. Relay box. The relay box in the Ford F-550, 2013, controls high-power circuits like trailer tow and glow plugs, enabling efficient, safe switching. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.